Jen Broyles here, and today I am going to walk through how to make a very wonderful and popular blend of essential oils. And I'm actually in the process of preparing for a class tonight where we make different blends and roller bottles, and sometimes I'll pre-make a couple of blends for the sake of saving time in the class. And so that's what I'm doing, and I wanted to be able to share that with all of you. So the blend that I'm gonna make in this video is called Seasonal Zen. So it's a wonderful blend for combating seasonal and environmental threats, great for allergies and sinus issues and respiratory issues. And so we're gonna do this blend with 3 different oils in a 5 milliliter roller bottle. And I've already labeled it, so I've got cute little labels here with instructions on how to use it. And the oils we are going to use in this blend consist of a powerful trio: lavender, lemon, and peppermint. So you'll see we've got lavender, we've got lemon, and we've got peppermint here, okay? And these 3 combined are wonderful for combating and soothing seasonal and environmental threats and the symptoms that come with it, like sinus issues and congestion and stuffy nose, runny nose, all of those respiratory issues that we don't like. And so lemon has a lot of cleansing properties, so it's wonderful for that cleansing and detox support and just clearing things out and boosting the immune system. Lavender is wonderful for calming, but also it has a lot of antihistamine properties, so it's really effective in that regard. And then peppermint is great for cooling and soothing the body and supporting respiratory function. I mean, literally, when you just breathe in that peppermint oil, it opens up your airways. It's amazing how quickly it can work. And so these 3 together offer a lot of great support. So what we're gonna do in this blend, and you'll see kind of what I do for classes, we have a neat little handout with 5 different recipes at the bottom. So in this one, we're gonna do 10 drops of each of these 3 oils. And Baxter's saying hi to you guys. If you can see him in the background, he likes to be involved. So I'm making 5 right now, so I've got like 5 different bottles. And when I do that, when I'm making a lot at one time, I just try to do it the most efficient way possible. So I'll fill all 5 with my lavender, all 5 with my peppermint, all 5 with my lemon, and then we're gonna top it off with some fractionated coconut oil, okay? So we're gonna do 10 drops, right? 10 drops of each oil. So 10 drops of lavender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And if you get an extra drop, it's okay. Doesn't have to be perfect, right? We're gonna do 10 drops of peppermint. And then 10 drops of lemon. And I love the combination of these oils. It smells really nice. And when you start using oils and kind of doing some DIY stuff, I got a little bit on the edge, so I'm just kind of wiping it off and applying it to me. You'll find that some oils come out faster than others, and so like citrus oils like lemon tend to come out really fast. So you'll notice that if you start making your own blends and stuff. And then we're gonna fill the rest. So there's 10 drops of each oil. You can't see how far up it's filled, but it's probably to right about here. So it's not super full. You don't need a lot of essential oil for it to be effective. You know, they're very, very potent. So a little bit goes a really long way. So that's another great thing about these oils, is that they end up being a very affordable option because you only need to use a little bit. So we're gonna fill the rest with fractionated coconut oil, and I love to have one with a pump, so I can stick the pump in the mouth of the bottle and fill it that way. And it usually takes, 4 to 5 pumps. You don't want to fill it too high because you need to be able to put the roller ball on. But after this, you're gonna use the roller ball. So you're gonna put the cap on, and then you'll be able to just apply it as you need. So you can apply it to your, depending on what the oil is, for something like this, for the seasonal oil, for seasonal zen and respiratory support, the chest, the back of the neck, maybe around the sinuses, bottom of the feet. Those are all great places to use the oil. Other oils you might want to put on your wrist, and especially if it's something you want to use kind of as a perfume option or and that sort of thing. But this blend is going to really help you during those seasons where you're symptomatic, right? And so it's going to really help calm things down, help open up those airways, help you breathe better, and just feel better overall. So hope this is helpful for you, and we'll talk again soon. Bye.